What's up, guys? Today we've got the super sharp and popular KEXMO Pocket Knife here. So we are going to do a sharpness test. We're going to see how easy is it to open up, how is the build quality, all of that. So here is a close-up look. You've got that wooden handle, little piece right there to hook it onto your jeans, window breaker on that side, the actual flip motion. Let me try to do this here. So that's the second time in a row where I'm not able to fully flip it up to locking. Oh, it did it that time. Maybe I just need to do it a few times. The first two, it was basically doing that where it's not super smooth motion, specifically like right there. Yeah, so that's a downside, but nice big knife, comfortable handle. Let's test the sharpness. That's perhaps the most important thing. Right out of the box, it is very sharp. Probably one of the sharper knives I've actually tested on here. That passes my testing, guys. So if you want a nice, sharp knife that you don't have to mess around with, you just open it and it's going to be good to go. That's the one downside, is that I'm personally not able to fling it open. Maybe I just have small or weak hands, but check it out, guys.
Did you know there's an easy way to get discount codes for most products on Amazon? I created a website, moderndeals.net, that has thousands of daily discount codes for Amazon. Let's take, for example, this hairdryer. Click the item on my site. The coupon will auto apply. Click add to cart, and there you go. The price dropped down to the discounted price. There's thousands of active codes every single day. You can also search for individual items, for example, a dash cam, and it'll show all the active codes for dash cams that day. I'll have a link to my discount site in the description and the pinned comment. Be sure to check it out and bookmark, and let's get back to the video.